So here we have two operatives manually inspecting panels, and they had to use extension poles to try and reach the top row because you can't really inspect the top row manually very easily. So here we have the drone. And straight away it's capturing many panels in one image, and it's a lot quicker than manual inspection. Because the data is extremely high resolution, we can get the finest details. So there's a buzz bar, and we've got the best camera angle, so we can look down on the modules. There's a cell, smashed glass, so all the details can be captured digitally, and then you've got a benchmark and a record of the inspection safely and quickly.